Hey guys, what's going on? So, happy holidays. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this really cool model I just designed. Check it out. What is it? This is an origami road, and it has snow on it, see? So since the road right here is white, it's a snowy road, so it's a road with snow on it. Yep, and it's super simple to fold. So I'm going to show you how to make this, and then I'm going to show you how to turn it into a really cool flying flicker. And what's cool about this is that you can actually hold it like this. Yep, it can be a spinneroo like that. And yep, and it's a really nice flicker. And it's a little bit harder to make, but it makes an awesome flicker. Check this out. So I'm going to hold it like this, and I'm going to flick on this edge. Oh! Okay, let's do one more time. Oh, that is an excellent flicker. Alright, I know you guys want to fold it, so let's get to it. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this super simple origami snowy road. And it's folded from a 6-inch square of kami. So I'm going to show you how to make it, and then I'm going to show you how to turn it into an awesome flicker. This is what it looks like up close. See? Alright, so let's first make the road. So for this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of origami paper. But you could try it from a sheet of printer paper, but then you're not going to have the features. So I recommend paper that's colored on one side and white on the other. So let's begin white side up and fold in half, but don't actually fold it. Just make 2 crease marks on the sides. So one here and one here, like that. Okay, now unfold like this and fold this edge. We're not going to fold directly to the crease marks. We're going to leave some space, and this is going to. However much space is from the crease mark to the edge, it's going to be half the thickness of the street. So if you want it fatter, fold it up less, but narrow, fold it up more. So about like this is probably good, just to taste. It might be better if you fold it up more. Alright, and repeat on this side. And try and match what you did here. But yeah, it doesn't need to be perfect. Okay. Alright, and now fold this edge to this edge, and hold the layers down so it doesn't slide, like that. And believe it or not, we're actually almost done with the road. Alright, and repeat on this side. So hold the layers down and fold this edge to this raw edge. Alright, and now let's turn over, and if you like it like this, then you're done. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold this up just a little bit like this. It's not important. I'm just folding it so that way on the end right here, it's a folded edge right here and not raw edges. I like it when everything has folded edges, because things tend to be cleaner that way with folded edges. Alright, and repeat on this side. Just fold it up just a tad. Remember, you don't have to do this. If you don't mind the raw edges, then you're done. Okay. Alright. And there is our snowy road. Easy as that. Alright, well, if you like it like that, then you're all finished. But if you want to turn it into a really awesome flicker, then here's how to do that. So this is a little bit harder, but not too hard though. So we're gonna do let's unfold these 2 sides right here, and we're gonna do is begin either side up, and we're gonna divide this into thirds. So fold it so that this is equal to this. Yep, just eyeball it, and then fold this part over like this. Just fiddle until you get it. All right, close enough is okay too. All right. Like that. Okay. And now let's begin with the road side up right here, and fold this edge to these 2 crease marks. Crease all the way across. Here, I'll zoom in. Okay. And now let's unfold that and fold this edge to this crease. Let's just kind of loosen this fold up right here. There you go. Okay, like this. Alright, now this is the tricky part. This is the most trickiest part of the model. So we're gonna do is we're gonna stick one end inside the other, and it doesn't really matter which one. So we're gonna open these pockets and open up to the backmost slot right here, like this. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna try and stick this edge inside there. So stick it inside like this. Stick this side inside of here and the left inside of there. And this is tricky, so good luck. This is kind of like a game here. Yep. So yep, only do this at your own risk. Oh, there you go, got it in. And now it's still, we have to try and stick it all the way in. We want to try and make this raw edge align with this crease right here. Yep, this is really tricky to do, but just try and get it in there. Take your time with this. Alright. There you go. Oh, there you go, it's going in. Ah! There you go, almost there. Okay, close enough is okay too. It doesn't really need to be super perfect. There we go. Okay. There, that's good enough right there. And just kind of flatten it like this. Grease everything sharply. Okay, so this side with the raw edge right there, that's where we're gonna flick. So, yeah. So now we're gonna do, to make it fly better, I don't know if it's gonna fly very well like this because it's kind of open right here. So we're gonna kind of close these off. So we're just gonna fold this up just a tad. We're gonna make a curved fold in between this point and this point right here. We're just closing it off. Or maybe if you want, you can put tape right there if you want, but no. I refuse to use tape in origami. Like this. And even right here, it's a double edge too, but you don't have to fold this up. Because this is the edge we're gonna flick on. Alright. And plus, if you make a curved fold, folding this up, you're gonna tear the paper right there. So just leave this part alone. Alright, and repeat on this side too. Fold this up in between these 2 points. You have to leave the side with the raw edge alone. Because if you fold that up, you're gonna put stress on it, and you're gonna rip it. All right, and there you go. And now just flatten it as much as possible. Remember, if you really want it to be flat, stick it under something heavy overnight. All right, and now, where's the side right there? Oh yeah, this is the side we're gonna flick on right here. See, this is the side with that raw edge. Yep. And now just give it a little bit of curvature, so give it some elevation when you flick it. Alright, and that is the flicker. Alright, so there it is. Alright, well, hope you guys were able to make the flicker, and if you weren't able to make the flicker, well, at least you're able to fold the road. And yeah, alright, so let's see how the flicker flies now. Okay, so to fly this model, it's just like an ordinary flicker, so I'm going to hold it by the side right here. And I'm going to flick with this side. So remember, here's the side with that raw edge right there. See? So that's the side we're going to flick on. So I'm going to hold it like this and flick on there. So here we go. So I'm going to have the side with the edges right here face down. Alright, let's fly it. Yeah? Let's do it again. Here, do it on this side. Oh, that was good. Okay, do it one more time. Oh, I didn't flick it hard. Okay, let's try that again. Oh, yeah. Oh, and it just went behind my bed. Alright, well, hope you guys were able to fold that model, and make sure you subscribe, and happy holidays. Alright, bye-bye.